When designing a space or planning a renovation, having a clear and accurate floor plan is essential. Its purpose is to provide a detailed outline of the physical space, including the location and dimensions of walls, doors, windows, and other structural elements. A good floor plan should prioritize versatility, allowing for rooms to serve multiple purposes and adapt to changing needs over time. The ideal room layout takes into consideration the flow of the space, ensuring easy movement and functionality. Size considerations are important, with an emphasis on creating spacious, comfortable rooms while also maximizing the use of square footage. According to Rightmove's 2013 study, found that 1 in 5 buyers would not consider a property without a floor plan, emphasizing the importance of including floor plans in real estate listings. They provide a clear visual representation of the space and layout, allowing contractors and vendors to better understand the project requirements and collaborate effectively.